Hello guys, my name is Devadip Devan. I know you don't know me well. So if you don't know me well and you want to know me, then you can obviously follow me on Instagram to know more about me. The link will be there in the description. You can go and check it out. And those who have subscribed my channel, a big thank you. It means a lot to me, man. It means a lot to me. And those who have not subscribed yet, you can show your support by subscribing my channel. So rather wasting our time, let's get started. In this video, I will be showing you some editing tips of sunset photos. It is basically for the beginner who don't know about Lightroom or who don't know about the about how to edit the sunset photos. Sunset example, for example, like this. First of all you have to do is adjust our photo by cropping it. Okay, now let's do it. Next is light. We have to correct the light settings of this photo. First of all, let's correct the exposure. Then let's correct the contrast. Then highlights. So here it is. We have corrected the light setting. Okay, now let's correct the color. Okay, nice. Now let's go to the color panel. It is this. Here you can change the color or correct the color settings. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, it is done. Okay, it is done now. We have corrected this and now you can see the difference. So now correct the clarity and textures. Now let's give a nice tone in this. Nice, it's good. So it is looking like this. Okay, next all it will do is this, sharp the photo. Okay, it's nice. Then let's choose a filter. Mm, yes, now it is looking perfect. Mm, now we'll save this photo. Mm, we'll be adding bars in it. Without bars it is incomplete. It is not looking so nice. So now we'll be importing some bars. Okay, just we'll import this and we'll cut it. After cropping it, then we'll be going to the blend option here, and we'll just choose the multiple option, and then let's go to the adjust. Let's adjust it. Boom, here it is. Okay, now size of the birds. Yes, now that's it. Let's export it. Let's save this picture. It is the actual photo. So guys, if you enjoyed the video and if you learned something from this video, then you can follow me on Instagram, and you can subscribe my channel. You can subscribe my channel for more videos, and please don't forget to give a like button, and if you what video you want next. Thank you, thanks all, thank you all, thank you all.